Good morning, children. I am your science teacher Anjana Jha. Your exam are about to begin. Let's start with revision of chapter food, which is in your portion for upcoming examination. Food from plant. There are many types of plants on the earth. They provide us many forms of food materials. Some of the foods are eaten raw and some are cooked before eating. We eat different parts of different plants. We eat seeds and fruits of some plants and roots, stems or leaves of other plants. Seeds. The seeds of some plants like wheat and rice are part of our daily life. Flour. Many of us like to eat chapatis and bread daily. These are made from wheat flour. Wheat flour is obtained by grinding the seeds of wheat. We also eat rice or maize grains, which are the seeds of their respective plants. These are sometimes ground to make their flour. Dosas and idlis are prepared from a paste of ground rice and dal. We eat cereals like wheat, rice and corn as they give us energy to do work. Dalia, suji and maida are also obtained from seeds of wheat. Look at this picture. The first picture is of wheat plant, which is grinded to make wheat flour, which give us chapati, paratha and puri. Pulses. Dal that we often take in lunch and dinner is made up of seeds of particular plants. Such seeds are boiled and some spices are added to them before eating them. Pulses like dal, peas and gram should be added to our meals as they help us to grow. Nuts. We often enjoy munching nuts like peanuts, walnut, cashews and almonds. These are seeds which are generally eaten raw. Nuts can provide a lot of energy to us and keep our body warm. Leaves. We eat leaves of different plants. Leaves of spinach, fenugreek, cabbage and mustard are cooked before eating. These are called green vegetables and are good for our health. They protect us from disease. Leaves of coriander, mint and curry plant are used for garnishing and flavoring of our food. Stem. Potato is a very common food used all over the world. It is nothing but the underground stem of its plant. Other stems which are often eaten are onion, ginger and stem of lotus. Roots. The roots of some plants are used as food. These roots can be eaten raw or cooked. You must have eaten carrot, radish, turnip and beetroot. All these are roots of their plants. Fruits. Fruits keep us fit and healthy. They protect us from diseases. We all like to eat fruits, Sweet and juicy fruits like mangoes, oranges, grapes, muskmelons, and watermelons are eaten raw. Some fruits are cooked and eaten as vegetables. Brinjal, ladyfinger, and tomato are some such fruits. Tomatoes are eaten raw as well as cooked. Food from animals. Plants cannot always fulfill all the needs of all the people in the world. Many people and animals products like milk, eggs, meat, and fish to the food that they eat. Milk of some animals like cow, buffalo, and goat is taken by people all over the world. Milk is very good source of nutrients for one and all. It is especially important for growing children. Milk products like curd, cheese, ice cream, kheer, etc. are liked by most of us. Eggs of poultry birds like hen, goose, and duck are eaten by many people. Fish as well as the meat of some animals is taken by many people. Milk is considered to be a complete food. It helps us to grow, give us energy, and protect us from diseases. Leaves. We eat leaves of different plants. Leaves of spinach, fenugreek, cabbage, and mustard are cooked before eating. These are called green vegetables and are good for our health. They protect us from disease. Leaves of coriander, mint, and curry plant are used for garnishing and flavoring of our food. Children, this is your classwork. We eat different parts of